Are you ready to enhance your content creation process and save hours of work? Meet Ahrefs free AI writing tools. To enhance your marketing effortlessly, simply start by clicking on the Paragraph Generator tool. Enter your prompt, choose your tone, format options, number of paragraphs, and the desired length. Hit Generate Copy, and voila, your first paragraph appears like magic. Want more? Click More like this, and another compelling paragraph will be at your fingertips. Next, let's create a blog outline. Enter your blog topic, add important points you want to cover, select your preferred tone and structure, and hit Generate Outline. In seconds, you will have a detailed outline ready to guide your writing. Now, let's move on to scripting. Enter your prompt, select your tone, choose the social media platform, and click Generate Script. Instantly, you have a ready-to-use video script tailored for your audience. Need captions for your images? No problem. Upload your image, enter a description, choose variant and tone, and hit Generate Captions. You will have perfectly crafted captions in seconds. Next, let's generate some engaging YouTube video descriptions. Enter your video details, and the tool will generate a comprehensive description optimized for SEO and engagement. Lastly, let's take a look at generating resignation letters. Enter your details, and the tool will generate a professional letter in no time. And there you have it, a suite of free AI writing tools at your disposal, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Transform your content creation process today with these incredible AI tools. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.